Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use a calculator to solve this question. It says use the intermediate value theorem to determine whether the following equation has a solution or not. If so, then use a graphing calculator or computer graph to solve the equation x cubed minus 9x minus 5 equal to 0. So first, we can put this one in a calculator to make a graph first. So you go to y equal to, enter the x cubed minus 9x minus 5 equal to 0, and you can hit graph. If you cannot see the whole graph, you can go to adjust the window a little bit, okay? So that should be easy. Now we're gonna find the zeros. So if I go to second trace, which is a calculation, I can have a zeros function right here and hit enter. And then we're gonna have to guess the left bound here. So I'm gonna put a little bit closer to here. So this time y is a negative value and I hit enter. And I will move to the cursor here, somewhere y is positive value, and I will hit enter again. So now you can see y is changing from negative to positive, and this graph is continuous. So it must pass 0 in between, right? So we hit enter, guess. Now we have a, y equal to 0. So that is your x value. Depends on how many decimal point you want to run. If you keep the 4 decimal point, this will be negative 2.6697. So that is your first zeros. And then we're gonna find the second zero, so have to start over again. Go to second trace of cal, and then go to the zeros. So this time we're gonna move this cursor to near the second 0 point, and this time y is positive, so I hit enter, and then I will come back here when I see y is negative, and I hit enter and guess. I will say yes. Now you have y equal to 0 between those 2 points, right? So this time is negative 0.5769 if you round to 4 decimal point. So that is your second zeros. So, and then start over, we have a 3 x-intercept, as you can see from here. So we're gonna second trace of cal, go to 0 again, repeat. For the third one, we're gonna move the cursor to near to the 0 point, but you don't have to be exact, very close. As long as this one is negative, I will hit enter, and then I move to see y is positive, and I hit enter, and I just guess here. So now it shows the y equal to 0, and then this x will be 3.2466 if you round to 4 decimal point. All right, so that is how you find the zeros from the calculator using the second trace or the calculation, and then you go to 0. So that way you can find the zeros from here. All right, so hopefully that helped.